Kale salad recipe, idios. Kale has become highly popular in recent years as a nutritious and delicious addition to salads. Packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, kale salads offer a range of health benefits and can be easily customized to suit personal tastes and dietary preferences. In this essay, we will explore a variety of kale salad ideas that are not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty. One popular kale salad option is the classic Caesar kale salad. By swapping out the traditional romaine lettuce with shredded kale leaves and tossing it in a creamy homemade Caesar dressing, you can elevate this salad to a whole new level. Add some crunchy croutons, shaved Parmesan cheese, and grilled chicken slices for a filling and satisfying meal. For those who prefer a lighter and fresher salad, a lemon garlic kale salad is a great choice. Combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, minced garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper to create a tangy dressing. Massage the kale leaves with the dressing until they soften, then add cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and chopped avocado for a refreshing and colorful salad. If you're looking to add some sweetness to your salad, a strawberry kale salad is a perfect choice. Toss together torn kale leaves, sliced strawberries, crumbled feta cheese, and toasted walnuts. Drizzle the salad with a balsamic vinaigrette made by whisking together balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. The combination of sweet strawberries and tangy feta creates a delightful balance of flavors. For those who enjoy a salad with a hint of spice, a Mexican-inspired kale salad is a must-try. Add black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, sliced red onions, and chopped cilantro to a bed of kale leaves. Top it off with a chipotle lime dressing made with chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, lime juice, garlic, honey, and olive oil. This salad is not only flavorful but also packed with protein and fiber. Craving a Mediterranean twist? Try a Greek kale salad. Mix together chopped kale leaves, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and crumbled feta cheese. Dress the salad with a light and tangy Greek-inspired dressing made with lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. The combination of crunchy kale, juicy tomatoes, and briny olives creates a fantastic combination of textures and flavors. For those who prefer a heartier meal, a kale and quinoa salad is the way to go. Cook quinoa according to package instructions and let it cool. In a large bowl, combine kale leaves, cooked quinoa, diced bell peppers, shredded carrots, and chopped green onions. Toss it with a zesty vinaigrette made with red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, garlic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This salad is not only a great source of protein but also incredibly satisfying. If you're in the mood for a tropical twist, a mango avocado kale salad is a great option. Toss together torn kale leaves, diced mango, sliced avocado, thinly sliced red onions, and toasted coconut flakes. Drizzle the salad with a lime ginger dressing made by whisking together lime juice, grated ginger, honey, soy sauce, and olive oil. This salad offers a refreshing combination of flavors that is perfect for the summer season. In conclusion, kale salads offer a wide range of delicious and nutritious options to suit all preferences. Whether you prefer a classic Caesar, a tangy lemon garlic, a sweet strawberry, a spicy Mexican, a Mediterranean Greek, a protein-packed quinoa, or a tropical mango avocado, these kale salad ideas will surely satisfy your taste buds while providing you with a dose of essential vitamins and antioxidants. So, next time you're looking to incorporate more kale into your diet, try one of these creative salad ideas and enjoy a tasty and healthy meal. Thanks for watching, and for more information and tips on kale, healthy eating, and kale diets, don't forget to hit the like button and be sure and subscribe.